Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to switch Roblox accounts on your device. Whether you are using tablets or smartphones, whether you have two accounts, you need to log into someone else's account, or just want to switch accounts for fun, these steps will help you out. First of all, launch open the Roblox app on your device and make sure that you are logged in with one of your accounts already. Now, if you have multiple accounts for Roblox and you'd like to switch between them, launch open the Roblox's homepage and tap on the More button at the bottom right. From here, scroll all the way down and click on Switch Accounts. Now, if you have multiple accounts signed in, you can simply switch between them by tapping on another account you want to change to, and this will reload your Roblox account and you will be able to switch between the accounts. If you want to add another account, you can simply tap the More button at the bottom right, scroll down and click on Switch Accounts and click on Add Account. Now click on Login to Existing Account and enter your username, email or phone number followed by your password for the new account you want to add. So that way you will be able to switch between accounts in Roblox using your mobile devices or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.